Hi, let's look at this question together. This is an actual PSLE question covering P5 topics of triangle. Okay, so in the figure below, PQRS is a rectangle. So this is PQRS is a rectangle and QRT is a right angle triangle. So this is the QRT is a right angle triangle with the side measure 30, 40 and 50 centimeter. The perimeter of the shaded part is 174. That means the perimeter of the shaded part is 174. What is the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the shaded part? Okay, give your answer in the simplest form. Okay, in this case, your child may not learn the part of the ratio, but it's okay. We are focusing on the finding the triangle. Okay, so solution. Okay, remember that your child must be able to identify where is the base and the height. Okay, so as I said in all my videos with regards to triangle, if they cannot identify, they can always rotate the question paper. So in the case, I rotate it so that they can see easily. So area of triangle QRT is half base times height. So it's half times base times the height. So it's half times 30 times 40 is equal to 600 centimeter square. Okay, so we already find the area of the triangle. Now what we need to find is the area of the shaded part. So to find the area of shaded part, we know the length of the rectangle, but we do not know the breadth. Because if we can find this rectangle, we subtract away the area of triangle, we will know the area of the shaded part. So the next task is to find the breadth of this rectangle. So the question says the perimeter of the shaded part is 174. So this plus this plus this plus this plus this is 174. Okay, so let's solve it. So the perimeter of the shaded part is 174 centimeter. From here we know there is a rectangle, so which means that if this is 50, this has to be 50. So the only two unknown now is the length here and the length here. So I label it as y centimeter. Okay, so PQRS is a rectangle, so QR, okay, is equal to PS, which is equal to 50. Okay, then we have this 50 centimeter plus y, 50 centimeter plus y plus 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter plus y plus 30 plus 40 plus y, okay, is equal to 174. So we add up, this is 120 plus 2y is equal to 174, 2y is 54 and y is 27. So that means we know that now this is 27 centimeter. Okay, once we know the length and the breadth, we can find the area. So the area of the rectangle is 50 times 27 is 1350 centimeters square. So the shaded area is nothing but the area of rectangle minus the area of triangle. So it's 1350 minus 600 is 750. Okay, so for P5 student, if you have not learned on the ratio, it's okay. But for P6 student, this is how you do it. The area of triangle is 600. The area of the shaded part is 750. Remember, you cannot put 600 and 750 because the question say give your answer in the simplest form. Okay, so which means that you got to bring it down to the simplest form. So I divide by 10, I get 60 and 75. I can further divide by 5, I get 12 and 15. I further divide by 3, I get 4 and 5. So the simplest form is the area of triangle is 4, the area of shaded part is 5. Okay, hope that helps.